Hi everyone, I'm Richard Wu, Product Manager of Hikvision LED Displays. Today, I'm excited to walk you through our full self-developed LED control ecosystem. In the previous episode, we covered the background of Hikvision's LED business and our self-developed control system. Today, let's look at the 4 highlights of Hikvision LED control system. First, flexible wiring. Our system has no rectangular load constraints, so your signal routing is more flexible and project implementation is more efficient. For example, some third-party LED controllers force identify loads, treating 7 cabinets on one port as 10, which cause errors. Our system avoids such constraints, saving output ports and reducing design complexity. Second, simplified maintenance. Batched matched configuration, calibration, and color files are stored in the cloud. This simplifies field maintenance and helps ensure consistent result across deployment. Third, easy to use. All our LED controllers, including a built-in web portal. You can configure screens, manage layouts, and distribute content directly in a browser. No heavy software required. Meanwhile, our P-Series and IFPDs also integrate the same Wondercast casting software, supporting up to 4 1080p concurrent casts from PCs, tablets, and phones. Fourth, open ecosystem. All our self-developed LED controller product supports APIs for third-party integration. We are also building a configuration library for mainstream drive IC combinations, starting in the 4th quarter of 2025. The cloud version of our LED tool will include a cloud library of third-party LED module profiles to streamline compatibility. These are the highlights of Hikvision's LED control system. Get in touch for more details and join us next time for a full overview of our hardware lineup and software ecosystem. Stay tuned.